Welcome back to the online class of Statistical Computing. In today's session, we will learn about chapter number 1. The topics to be covered in today's session are about statistics, types of statistics, and the process of statistics. Let's see about statistics. Statistics is a collection of mathematical techniques that helps to collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting empirical data. Statistics as defined by the American Statistical Association. It is the science of learning from data as well as measuring, controlling, and communicating uncertainty. The word statistics has been derived from the Latin word status, or the Italian word statista, or the German word statistics. Each of these words means a political state. In old days, word statistics was used to indicate the quantities like number of soldiers in a state, the volume of arms and ammunition, the volume of taxes, etc. This all connected with the administrative and the political activity of a state. In those days, statistics was also called the science of kings. But in the modern age, the scope of statistics is wide enough. Nowadays, the use of statistics is extended to the various fields such as agriculture, economics, business, management, psychology, physical and social science, humanities, government, as well as manufacturing, etc. Let us discuss how the statistics is used in current pandemic situation. We observe some facts, figures, tables, charts about COVID-19 in our daily newspaper, news channels, or from the internet. With the help of statistics, we are able to compare the number of corona cases increase or decrease day to day. We are able to know the increasing or decreasing recovery rate of the corona patients, as well as we are able to compare the active patients of corona in different cities. All such informations are possible with the help of different statistical methods. In short, the goal of statistics is to understand the data and draw the valid inference. Hence, it is distinctively considered as a mathematical science. Let us learn the process of statistics. Statistics is all about a data and their information. It is also about analyzing the data and producing some meaningful information about the data. In the current slide, you can observe the first figure. You can find there three elements: data, statistics, and the information. Data is nothing but it's a real fact. It is also known as a raw data, where information is a processed data. To generate the information from the data, we require a different statistical procedure. As we have discussed in earlier slide, a statistics is a method of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the information. For example, you want to find a best BCA college in India. Here also you can apply a statistical procedure. So first you have to start collecting the data. To collect the data, you may search the data from your friends, your relatives, or from the internet. Once you collect the data, you have to analyze those data. So maybe the analytical procedure you may apply, you may find which are the good things about a different colleges. And as per your requirement, you can find out the best and a suitable college for you. Statistics is from the mathematical branch. It used to summarize the process that analyst uses to characterize a dataset. If the dataset depends on a sample of larger population, then the analyst can interpret the population primarily based on the statistical outcomes from the sample. You can find a second figure where you can get the difference between the population and the sample, where a population is a large data and a sample is a small portion which is taken from the population. For example, to find out a blood group of the person, we require a few blood drops from the person body. So this few blood drops is considered as a sample. The another example that I'll explain: to find the average height of 50 students from a school with 2000 students. So to find the average height is the statistical procedure. But 50 students are the sample which is taken from the total 2000 students from the school. Types of statistics. There are mainly two types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is used to summarize the observations, in which collected data, which are calculated as well as expressed as the different type of measure of central tendency and the measure of spread. It means in this method you can summarize the observation with the help of mean, mode, median, standard deviation, etc. Where the inferential statistics is used to interpret the meaning of descriptive statistics. In other words, it is used to produce a right conclusion from the statistical analysis that has been performed using descriptive statistics. So far, inferential statistics require the results from the descriptive statistics. It is study the relationship between the variable within sample and then make a generalize or forecast about how those variable will related to the larger population. such as in this techniques you can compare two different variables, as well as you can find the dependency of those variables. You can also examine with the help of different tests such as linear regression analysis, logistic regression analysis, ANOVA test, correlation analysis, chi-square and t-test. In our syllabus, we will focus on descriptive statistics. Let us quickly summarize the today's session. Statistics as an art of science is used to collecting, analyzing, interpreting and presenting of a numerical data. Population is a well-defined set, group or aggregate of object or the observation. Sample is a subset of a population. A process of statistics is also known as a transformation procedure of information from the data. There are two types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Thank you. Have a nice day.